behind the lines in 3, 2, 1, go!
Match 26 on the move. First robots out of their starting zone are the Blue Alliance. One coral goes up on L4. It looks like one's awfully close to being scored in the trough. Fondy Fire goes back for bonus coral out of their human player station. We've definitely got the RP locked in. It looks like for both sides of the field, coral scored during auto and 9 points for robots leaving that starting zone. Here in Teleop, first move on the Red Alliance Reef is coming from Golden Bots representing Sterling, Illinois. They'll score 5 points on the top level of that reef, while their alliance partner Saber Robotics processes some algae. That same role being filled by Milwaukee City RC for the Blue Alliance. 2 algae processed now by that Blue Alliance robot and the human player from Saber. They're going to toss those on up into the Red Alliance net. Saber Robotics also passing through the processor once again over on the red side toward the Blue Alliance human player. It looks like more algae being processed, focus from Saber and from Milwaukee City, getting 6 points each time they process through. Taking a look at the action on the reefs, Blue Alliance has 5 coral on L4. Looking at their 3rd coral on L3, 1792, they are RTR, Round Table Robotics. They're going to grab 4 points for every one of those coral that they place on that 3rd level of the reef. And it looks like just 1 more coral needed on Ls 2 and 3 in order to make their way toward that ranking point. We did see some algae being processed. We'll check in and see if that co-op is inactive for this match. Last minute of match number 26 underway now. Blue Alliance in the lead, 125-87. Ribbon Robotics for the Red Alliance, right in front of one of their human players. They do have a piece of coral in their manipulator. They've got this bright orange intake, it looks like, to keep track. They might have that not exactly where they want it to be hanging out. It looks like that is part of their algae manipulation system. So they're going to strafe back and forth, hopefully trying to get back in action on offense for the Red Alliance. Final 20 seconds on the move now. Sterling's going to grab more coral if they can, while Saber approaches the Red Alliance deep cage. Human player trying to signal to their drive team. Saber lifts up. They are off the ground, but they are in contact with some algae. We'll get a close look at the conclusion of the match, while Round Table Robotics will pick up 12 points for Blue. Screen shortly. That was a win for the Blue Alliance. They take the match with a score of 167-116. There's that final score.